Hey everyone, I'm out here in the shop tonight fooling around with the recumbent bike, and one of the things that I've done to it, well, I've added some RAM mounts for my phone, and I got a cup holder over there and my little Garmin bike computers on there, which is all good. But the stock flag was just a fiberglass flag, so I decided I needed something that was going to light up the show here and people can see. So I got me one of them side by side or sand rail LED lighted flag whips, which is what that is right there. And when I originally got it, I put a small Lipo battery such as this one here, just a 3-cell 2200 milliamp Lipo, and I had it velcroed up underneath here on this bar, and then it would plug in right here, and it'd run the light, and it worked, but it only ran for about 45 minutes before it completely depleted that pack. So I had my buddies over at Thunder Power build me a 5000 milliamp 3S pack. And I figure I'd get an hour and a half to 2 hours out of that, and that's about all I'm going to go at any one given time anyway. The problem with this light is a couple of things. Well, it's not really a problem, but the dang thing is so bright that if I stop to talk to somebody, if I'm out riding, I see somebody on the trail and I want to talk to them, the light just blinds the hell out of everyone. So it'd be nice to have a way to shut it off. And the only way I could do that was just to unplug the Dean's connector right here and shut it down. So I thought I would wire me in a switch and make it all nice. So what I did is I drilled a hole into, hopefully you can see it, into the handlebar right here, ran a wire up, and I put that little switch right there. And then that cable runs underneath the seat to this pouch down here. The 3S battery's in there, and then the cable runs to the back. So all I have to do now is lightsaber mode, but I could turn it off anytime I want right from the handlebars. So switch is right there, I just flick it with my finger and back is off. Thought it was a pretty cool mod. All right, see you in the shop.